Ooh, the claw! I'm sorry guys, that is a horrible impression. But hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and today I have my green alien friend and I have my green alien ears on because we're gonna start my Disneybound series with a Toy Story alien Disneybound. I think these guys are the most adorable things and they're some of my favorite Disney characters ever. I love them. Well, they're my favorite Pixar character ever. I love them. They are adorable and I think they're so cute, and I'm so excited that like everybody's kind of falling in love with them again thanks to all the Pixar Pier and Toy Story Land opening. So I thought it'd be the best way to start my Disneybound series, especially because this was the last Disneybound that I wore at the parks. I wore this to Toy Story Land the first time going, and oh my gosh guys, I got a fast pass to Slinky Dog, like a Slinky Dog fast pass, and like the first month it's open, like that is amazing. I was very happy. It was probably because it was super hot outside, but I got one, and honestly that ride was amazing, and I had so much fun on the little green alien ride, and they had the claw, and it was so cute, and I was just really obsessed with my little alien I got off at eBay. He is so cute. It is my precious child. I love him. He is adorable. He's my best friend. We're cute. We're twins. We match. We're ready to get chosen by the claw. Come on, our master. Let's go. But I am so excited to start this series, so if you would like to see how I got this green alien inspired makeup and a green alien inspired outfit to wear to the parks, please keep on watching. Okay, so I got my green alien ears, I have my foundation, my eyebrows, my contour on, and we're gonna move on to the rest of the look. I am taking a lime green shadow, which I sadly broke over the weekend, and I'm going to start applying this all throughout my crease, just really blending this out. This is my transition shade to get that alien greeny vibe going already. So just blend, 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 blend a bright neon green. Then I'm going in with a more clovery green color, and I'm just going to put that throughout the crease as well, blending it into the lime, adding a little bit more dimension to the greens, and just focusing it on the outer corner. Then I'm taking a teal eyeshadow, and I'm putting that right over where I put the clover shade to throw in some blue to this look, just to add it in, let it fade out. Keep blending it and blending it and blending it and blending it until it's all nice and faded. Then I'm going in with a more true blue color and just blending it exactly where I put those other colors. There is a lot of same shades going on top of each other here. Now I'm taking a darker blue and I'm putting this on a more dense fluffy brush so I can really get that dark color, and I'm really focusing this on the outer corner of the eye and slightly blending it out into those other shades, but really focusing it there. Then I'm going to take a lime green shadow that's shimmery and I'm going to apply that on the lid, and I'm really going to pack that on, making sure that you see that bright green. Now I'm taking a like luminescent color that's like has a green tint, and I'm just going to apply that all over where the lime green was for more shine. Then I'm going to take a true purple shadow and I'm going to run that through my waterline. This is to be that little purple that they have on their outfit. So again, I'm just going to run that and really, really blend it out on the bottom line. And then, because I don't think this has enough blue, I'm going back into the teal shade and a more pencil fluffy brush, and I'm blending that out into the purple and the outer corner of the eye, really smoking it out. And then I'm going to tightline my waterline with a green eyeliner, just to throw in some more green, because you're a green alien, like come on. Then I'm taking a green highlighter. I'm going to pop that into the inner corners of my eyes and into my brow bone. So I'm really packing in that color because I really want the green tint to show through the highlight. I love this highlight so much. It is from the Anastasia Glow Kit from Moonchild. It's Lucky Clover and it's so pretty. Then just apply coats of your favorite mascara to your upper and your lower lashes, and apply a pair of falsies to your liking. I went with a kind of chunky natural look. Then we're going to go on to the face. I am taking a very light pastel purpley blush, and I'm just applying this all over the cheeks. I just want so much blush on my face, I need it. Then I'm going to take a more deeper purpley blush and apply that just into the center of the cheeks, adding more dimension to the blush and just more color and cuteness. And don't forget to hit that tip of your nose. It is so important because it's so freaking cute to wear. Then I'm going back in with that green highlighter that we wore before, and I'm just applying it to the high points of my face, meaning the high points of my cheekbones, my tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, you know the works, all that highlight. Then I'm going to finish off the look with some purple lipstick. This is a true purple. This is from Pretty Zombie Cosmetics. It's in the shade 3 Witches, and it is my all-time favorite purple lipstick. I live and die for this lipstick. It literally wears all day at Disney with no problem. But, you know, this is the finished look, but we need a little bit more. We need to be a bit extra. We need to add some glitter. Some glitter on the face. It is perfect and always just adds such a nice thing. I go in with a liquid eyeliner that's a glitter liner, and I just top it off with some glitter. So let's move on to the outfit. I have some felt, some heat and bond paper, some scissors, and a sketch of the design I want to put on the dress. This is the Pizza Planet logo that is on all the alien shirts, and I'm going to apply that to that pretty blue dress that I got in my thrift haul. It is honestly perfect. So I'm going to take the sketch I made of my design, and I'm just going to start cutting this out to create stencils for the pieces I'm going to cut out of felt later. This is just going to help make sure you have every piece you need and it's accurate to the size and shape you need it to be. So I just have been cutting it out, and I placed it on the table in the order of the pieces of the design because I really wanted to make sure I had every single piece that I had made and that I didn't lose anything. So I was placing it as I cut them and went on. And once everything's cut up and you have all of your pieces, you're going to start putting them on your felt. This way you're going to just kind of decide how much felt you actually need to use, so you're not using too much felt or cutting too much. So I'm just placing the design on the table, and then I'm just going over it with my scissors and cutting out a square. And you're just going to keep on doing that for every piece and every color that you have, making sure you just have enough felt to cover what you need to make with. When you have all of your colors cut out, you're going to start cutting out the heat and bond paper sizing that you need. So I'm just going in with that felt piece that we had, and I'm just cutting out into the heat and bond paper the same exact shape and size of the felt needed to use, so we're not overusing our heat and bond paper and we're not wasting it, because you don't want to be a waster when you're crafting. So just cut out each square that you have made and cut it together. Now that you have all your pieces cut out, you're going to lay out a towel or use a ironing board. I'm using a towel on a table because I don't know where my ironing board is right now. So you're just going to take the paper and take the felt, and you're going to iron them together. Just follow the directions on the heat and bond paper because you just want to make sure you're totally safe and get it done right. So I'm just ironing it on so they're connected together, they're one piece. And then we're going to actually take our stencils and start cutting out the shapes of the design that we want onto the felt. So just sketch it out, make sure it's accurate to what you need. This is just going to help it make it easier to cut later, so you're not just cutting random shapes and not actually having an accurate design. And then we're going to go back in with the tedious task of cutting everything out. So yeah, just start cutting out all those pieces onto the felt, making sure they're all cohesive and all the same size and whatever, you know, all that jazz, making sure it's just exactly what you need it to be. Then when you have all of your pieces cut out, you're just going to start ironing it onto the dress. So just lay it out on the way it needs to be, and you're just going to put it in the spot. I kind of put a little pen where I needed to place it. When I tried on the dress, I just put the pen where I wanted the design, and then just place your design where that was. Then you're going to peel off the backing of the heat and bond. There will be sticky on the side of the felt now, and you're going to lay it in the exact spot again. And you're just going to iron it onto the dress, and you're going to keep doing that for every single piece. So just keep ironing it, making sure it's perfect, lay it out, and just put the iron to it. Make sure it's the heat that the heat and bond directions say. Follow all those directions again. Don't mess up your look, don't mess up your dress, don't mess up anything by burning your dress with the iron. Be careful, be safe. If you need an adult, ask an adult. And this is the complete Disneybound outfit and all. I feel so freaking cute right now with my little blue dress where I have my design. I got my Pizza Planet logo on it. I have a cute purple ribbon just to tie in some more purple in the look, and a neon green cardigan for the extra cute green realness. Oh my god, I honestly feel so cute. Like, ugh. And then I got my cute little plush to go along as the perfect accessory. And this is the final look. I feel so adorable right now because honestly the Toy Story aliens are some of the most adorable Pixar characters to ever exist. Just look at that little face. Tell me you don't love it. Tell me you don't love these faces right here. I am so obsessed with how this looked. I feel adorable and I loved wearing this to the park. It was a big hit. A lot of people loved that I had green hair with the whole look. It was great. A good decision on my part to dye my hair green the day before I left. I love it so much, and I love Disneybounding. It is one of my favorite things, and this one almost tops my Dumbo Disneybound, but that one is still my favorite, honestly. It's just so cute, and it just got such a good response, and it's just like, it's such a cute Disneybound. Let me know down below if you want to see the Dumbo Disneybound video next, because I can maybe do that for you guys. Also, tell me what other characters you guys want to see done. There are so many Disney characters, and I want to make sure I get all of them done for you guys, because, you know, I don't want to stop doing Disney outbounds. They're my favorite. I love creating Disneybounds. I love making outfits and ears and doing the makeup. It's just so much fun, and they're so much fun to wear to the park. Honestly, if you haven't Disneybound before, you guys should totally do it. But please tell me who you want to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because that would just be so rad of you guys, and it would just mean the world to me and this little guy here if you guys just hit that subscribe button. You know, that'd be awesome. And you know, I'm just trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so you know, that would help me out. But thank you guys again so much. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!